Emergency landing 2.0. Let's take off. Oh wait. Alright, yeah, take off.
If you want to give them the rundown real quick. So,
Well,
first we are in the lobby with GTA.
well, they can't even hear you. Give me a minute. Fly around for a little bit. I gotta set it so they can hear you. They would be able.
Okay, mister, we're going to attempt this emergency landing. Hopefully everything goes okay.
Alright, go ahead and continue what you were saying.
Okay, so the last person in this lobby, GTA, he made a video on his channel saying emergency landing. So the runway at the airbase, the Berger exit, he made that emergency landing, landed it, and
Well, we're remaking
the
it.
wing fell off, and he's just like, well, we are missing a very important component now, but we're going to replicate it and do it twice as better.
We're gonna kamikaze the shit out of it.
Uh-oh, hopefully everything goes well.
Yes, sorry. Oh god. Oh gosh. I see you. You're holding a stick. Dude, I'm inside the plane right now, like I'm in the first person view. Alright, here we go, guys. Oh god! Oh, we're missing a main component, as you see.
We're missing an important component and we are on fire now.
And most likely we're gonna blow up in a few seconds if that little Mitsubishi hits us.
Just wait here and see what happens. Hopefully nothing happens.
Yes, indeed. Alright, well that's the end of that emergency landing. There you go, folks.